Hello everybody and welcome to this Event Wizard training video. Today we are going to be talking about custom fields. These are informational fields you can add to events and proposals, rental items, and customers. In the past we have added fields for customers that only they used and only they really knew the meaning of. And with these custom fields, we won't have to do that anymore. If you want some extra information on your customers, or you want to enter some extra information on an event, you can set that all up yourself now. You don't have to wait for us to put out an update and all that stuff. So probably the only time we'll be adding fields to any of the events, proposals, rentals, customers, and stuff like that is if it affects the function of the system. So if it's just for information only, these custom fields is what you will use. So let's go ahead and take a look at them. To set up some custom fields, we go down to the administration section on the front page here, and we go over here to custom fields, and then we have the three sections that we can add custom fields to listed right here. So if we wanted to add a custom field to our events and proposals that we can fill out, we would add it here and just click save event fields. So you can enter a default value, and then the only type available right now is free input. We're going to be adding possibly drop down lists and dates and things like that. So we've added that field, and now we have a new field that we can add to our events and proposals. And it can also be used on forms by including this tag in your form. So if power provided by is filled out on an event and you include this tag in your form, it'll insert that value into the form. So we can do the same thing for customers. And then rentals and so on. So each one will, you can set a default value for each one, and you'll get your field tag for your forms over here. So where these show up is on the customers. If we just edit a customer, over here in the lower right, all of your custom fields will show up down here. And so now we have their website there. And on your events, whenever you're entering or updating an event, your custom fields will be on this form, power provided by, and our default value is already filled out. And then on the event summary, the custom fields are down at the bottom here. And to include it on our forms, let's go to custom fields. Let's put the power provided by on one of our forms. So we'll go back here to form management. Let's put it on the, put it on the, a lot of these forms are custom. Well, I'll just make a new form to show you how, because those are all custom HTML and PHP and stuff. So just make a new one to test this out on. This the one I just created? Yeah. So we can see, that field was, changed to whatever the value in the power provided by was. So we reload the page and the value is updated in the form. So that field can be used in any of your forms. So that is custom fields. And then if you delete a custom field, it does delete the information. It's gone forever. So that's another reason why these fields are informational and they don't affect the functionality of the software. And the same for the customer form. If we were to, I'll show you that also. Which customer did we add the website for? Aardvarks, okay. Of course, we don't have an event for them. Okay. We will update the website for this one. And then I can show you how, that'll pull it from the customer information for the customer on this event. So that is basically it for the custom fields. Like I said, we're going to be adding some different types of fields here where you can do larger input fields or drop down boxes and things like that. Other than that, that is it for the custom fields. Let us know if you have any questions and have a good day.